Whether you communicate with Siri via an Apple HomePod smart speaker or your iOS device, the assistant is ready to make your smart home more cohesive. HomeKit might not be as popular as Alexa or Google Home, but the number of companies that support Siri continues to grow. So it's safe to say that the best HomeKit devices are worth buying. This is why we created a list of 10 HomeKit devices that you must try. How many times have you tried getting into your house when your arms are full of groceries? Those who own an Apple Watch will definitely appreciate the / Encode Plus in those moments. It's a lot easier to tap your wrist against a door rather than trying to take your keys out of your pocket. Thanks to NFC and support for Apple's digital keys, your iPhone can quickly unlock the door as well. Apple HomeKit users can open and close their car garage doors using nothing but their voice with the help of their favorite voice assistants. As one of the best HomeKit devices, this smart garage opener lets you control your garage without fumbling around for the standard remote. It's compatible with most of the models as well as old garage openers too. The best part is, if you forget to close the doors, it'll alert you before you're going to sleep. The Cassetta Diva includes everything you need to get started with fast and reliable HomeKit lighting. It comes with an in-wall dimmer switch and a Pico remote, but you can skip that remote if you want to control it via smartphone and voice commands. The wireless dimmer is incredibly easy to install, and it doesn't require a neutral wire, making it compatible with most homes. And this same model is also compatible with the hard wiring system. This $25 WeMo Wi-Fi smart plug with Thread is one of the best HomeKit devices and our top choice among the best smart plugs. It's more compact than competing options out there, even its predecessor, the WeMo Mini. Besides, it works seamlessly with all the major smart assistants including HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Assistant, giving you multiple options to enjoy home automation. After a smart plug, you should have a smart button which gives you the HomeKit automation power right to your hand. Yes, from this single device, you can control multiple infrared appliances that are paired with your home Wi-Fi network. Also, you can do the same from the convenient app, allowing you to enjoy the convenience at your fingertips. To add to that, it's also a great addition for switchbot devices like curtain bots. If you want smart, colorful lighting without having to replace a light switch, then Nanoleaf Essentials will be your best bet. It supports millions of colors, HomeKit adaptive lighting, and the latest networking technology Thread like the WeMo smart plug. But make sure you have a HomePad mini at your home and use magical phrases to splash this hue. Not to mention, this ultimate remote control is pretty much unseen on other smart lights. When combined with the HomeKit, the Eve Motion Sensor V2 can automate every accessory category including fans, plugs, and speakers. This completely wireless sensor sports an IPX2 water-resistant rating, so it works indoors and outdoors, creating many automation possibilities. Along with Thread, it also supports Bluetooth for unparalleled ease of use and advanced security. This is a reliable option for those concerned about privacy and security. Smartmes Air Purifier P1 keeps your home air fresh and clean with HomeKit and Siri convenience. This HEPA air purifier covers small to medium rooms up to 320 square feet under a mere time. Plus, with customizable fan speeds and an automatic mode, it ramps up when the onboard particulate sensors detect the change in the air, so breathe fresh and stay healthy as well as cool. The second generation OneLink Smart Smoke Alarm has made some significant improvements over the original, which was HomeKit only. Along with HomeKit, it also works with smartphone, Alexa, OneLink alarms, as well as other compatible alarms. In case of an emergency, this OneLink detector can send notifications directly to your smartphone, and the built-in 10-year backup battery provides peace of mind even when the power goes out. Besides, it does not fall behind to complement your interior with its compact yet attractive design. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat one-ups the popular Nest thermostat line by including a handy remote sensor in the box. This sensor enables the thermostat to adjust according to the room you care about the most, not where it resides. The thermostat also has Alexa inside, which is great for controlling non-HomeKit devices. Beyond that, you can also control its settings from wherever you are by using your smartphone. So these were the 10 clever HomeKit devices you must try. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.